the Porinay in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day everyone, magandang araw po sa lahat ug mayong adlaw Cebu. Welcome to the Porinay in Croatia. So for this video guys is I'm going to share to you some of the 10 phrases na common in Croatian language or dito sa Croatia. So without further ado guys, allow me to introduce myself first. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, this is Mel and I'm immigrant here in Europe, Croatia for 8 years and counting. And we are the interracial family of 3. So I have a daughter, Angela, and she is a bubbly, sassy girl but full of sweetness. So guys, I'm not a professional teacher of the Croatian language, but I just learned this throughout my 8 years here in Croatia. So this is a common. And we don't say, that's our title of the vlog. So, and without further ado, let's get started! For today's video, I'm going to share to you some of the common phrases in Croatian language in Croatia. So first is, we don't say, how are you? Instead, we say, kako ste? Kako ste? And then in Croatia, we don't say, you are beautiful. Instead, we say, ti si lijepa, lijepa si, or ti si lijepa, or lijepa si. And in Croatia, we don't say, I'm sorry. You don't say, I'm sorry. Instead, we say, oprostite, or pardon. So that's simple. In Croatia, we don't say, I hate you. Instead, we say, mrzim ti, mrzim ti. In Croatia, we don't say, let's go. Instead, we say, edemo, edemo. In Croatia, we don't say, I have to go, I have to go. Instead, ja moram ići, ja moram ići. In Croatia, we don't say, I miss you. Instead, we say, nedostaješ, nedostaješ mi, nedostaješ mi, nedostaješ mi. In Croatia, we don't say thank you. Instead, we say hvala vam puno, hvala vam puno. And in Croatia, we don't say you're welcome, you're welcome. Instead, we say nema na čemu, nema na čemu. So guys, that's number 9. And our number 10. We don't say, I love you. I love you. Instead, we say, volem ti. Volem ti. Guys, these are the 10 phrases that common in Croatian language in Croatia. So, na-elaborate ko na sa inyo from 1 to 10. So, I hope you have a knowledge, a little bit knowledge of my Croatian language vlog. Up until next video, I hope you like, share, comments, and subscribe the Porinay in Croatia. So this has been Mel. Up until next time, do viđenja. So this is our 11. Do viđenja. It's a goodbye or papa. Blessings to all. Mwah!